Good morning, students. Today, here I take a topic for the summer camp, and that is basic electrical repairing. So, I'm going to discuss today not study. Is it right? Don't worry. Not study, it's in simply how to repair your electrical appliances. Electrical appliances in your home, there are fan, tube lights, bulbs, or the connections, and but these all are running with the ACD, is it right? AC lines. Whereas in our home there are some DC lines, that is DC supply given by the battery also. So for study or to know how we are going to repair our appliances, first of all you have to take some precautions, is it right? If it is possible, right, use hand gloves, is it right? It should be insulated. If it is with cotton clothes, no problem. If it is with a rubber, that's too good. Because whenever you handle some AC, for DC there is no problem. It has hardly 9 volt to 12 volt to 40 volt, you can hold it. But AC has 220 volt. Whenever you will touch, you will get some shock, and that is too high, is it right? So better use some hand gloves before handling the AC lines, is it right? Okay, now to repair such type of devices we need some basic tools. Let me introduce with the tools. Is it clear? This is a set of screwdriver. You can see there are so many screws are there. Set of screwdriver. This is a screwdriver. Clear? You can take any one of the sets, right, and use it on the screwdriver. Clear? You need one tester also. Look at here, this is a tester. Is it clear? To test the AC lines, right, you have to simply, right, insert the tester and you have to touch here. This is the upper portions of the tester. You need one plier. This is a plier. You can see this is a plier. To show you some AC line, right, to show you some AC line, I have a box in which you can see there are so many, right, so many plug points are there, and with that a switch is there, is it right? So keep it in mind that in between these two wire, one of them is the live wire and another is the neutral wire, is it right? So always the live wire is connected with the switch. Whenever you switch it off, that means there is a disconnection from the AC supply of live wire and with the what, the plug point, is it right? Now let me show you some, for example, the bulb, how it is used in that. Clear? So let me show you this. Now look at here, it's glowing, is it right? That means now AC line is there. As I told you, take some precaution, this is very important. Now if I'll take the tester, is it right? You can see whether tester will glow or not. A light will glow. So before that, you take some precautions, as I told. Just a minute. So for me, already I have taken some precautions, like wherever I stand in front of or in over a carpet, so that the you cannot touch your body with the earth, is it right? Because in some of at your home, right, what happened, the live wire is already connected with the earthing, is it right? So whenever you will touch, you will get a shock. So as I told, the precaution is very important. make your body not connected with the earth directly. It should be insulated. So between your feet and the floor, right, use some insulator like carpet, rubber, etc. Is it right? And this is a tester. So look at here. Is it glowing? No, I don't think so. It's glowing. Clear? But if I switch it on, so look at here. It's glowing. And can you see the light? Yes. If you touch the another one, it will not glow because that is connected with the what? Yes, it is connected with the neutral. Is it right? And this is what? This is your main, that is live wire. One of them is live wire, another is the neutral. Switch it off. Is it right? Now let me show you by glowing some bulb. You can analyze it. Is it right? So you can see I've taken one bulb, right? This is a bulb, and you know well this is what? This is a socket. Is it right? In which we hold the bulb. Is it clear? And you can see there are two pins are there in which you have to connect the wire of the live wire and the neutral. You get two wires connected, right? And as I told, take some precautions. Without precautions, right, whenever you do some work, right? So let me insert into that what? Into that plug point. Let me insert this. And it's glowing. Switch it off. Now if it is not working in your home, or sorry, at your home, right, if it is not working, there is maybe the reason that wire are not properly connected with the pins. So first you check the pins. Is it right? And then check your mains line. Is it right? So now the another basic line. So let me show you this, how we take before working anything at your home. First you switch it off from the main lines. So what is main lines? Let me take you on that point, right? As I told you, take a carpet which is connected between your feet and the floor. Yes, dear students, look at here. This is your main switch. I mean to say that main box, right? And you can see these two wires are coming from the tower. Is it right? Means the pole, right? And in between there is one is neutral, another is live wire, and it is inserted into that meter box. After meter box, you can see these are the main what? Fuse, right? So let me introduce about your fuse. This is one type of fuse, backlight fuse. Is it right? And there is the another type of fuses, and that is, look at here, this is called MCB, right? This MCB is connected in such a way that it supply the current to the all in your all rooms, right? If there is any short circuit in your home, that means one of the MCB will be down. So first try to find the short circuit in your home, then only you have to make it up, you know. The switch will down and up. Before that, let me advise you, right? This is your main fuse, so make it disconnected. How you make it disconnect? Look at here. This is the main fuse. Is it right? So look at here. I have disconnected this. Is it right? After disconnecting, you can see the wire is properly connected or not. You can see there are two terminals. You know, this is one and this is the another one, and in between there is a wire which is definitely made with a lead wire, right? You will get the fuse wire from any hardware shop. Is it right? You don't use any copper wire here. You know that copper wire is not proper giving you the connections, you know. Reason I will tell you this one. So first, this is already connected, so right, with the help of the screwdriver you just open it and connect it properly. After that, right, you can insert. You can see in my home, right, there is no current. Is it right? Let me insert this again. I have inserted, so look at here. Again the current supplied, fan is running. So this is one of the connections, right? Now this is a meter. You can see this is a meter. Now let me show you this, how it. Now look at here. The meter will show you this is a date. Is it right? And some numbers. Now press. This is a button, right? If I'll press this, today I think the date is showing 15/4/20, right? If I'll press it, it will show you some other readings. Wait, just wait for a while. You know this green wire, this green light will indicate that the current is there. If it is not glow, that means the current supply is off. Is it clear? So look at here. This is what? This is a meter reading. No, sorry, number, meter number. If you press it once again, it will show you the time. If you press it once again, it will show you the date. Press it once again. Now this is written here, kilowatt hour. Can you see that? Kilowatt hour. So this is 37190.8. Is it right? This is kilowatt hour. Before 8, before these decimal points, this is the reading. Clear? Okay. And why in the fuse always we have to use the fuse wire? Fuse wire maximum it is the lead. Is it right? Lead is the best. Whereas in market you will get lead with the mixing some other another alloys are there. No problem. That is also act as a very good fuse wire. In that backlight which I show you, not in the MCB is a compact thing. Is it right? We cannot change anything here. Okay, only the switch will be make down whenever there is a short circuit. So first try to find out the short circuit in your home. Is it right? Then only you have to what, make it switch on, means make it up in the MCB. But in the backlight fuse, is it right, what happened, there is a wire. So take a proper wire and connect. Copper wire. Why not copper? Because copper, you know that, you are a physics student, you know that in a copper will give you more resistance, means. And what happened in the copper is a very high melting point need. So in short circuit, what happened, in short circuit very high current pass and it is unable to disconnect the wire. So what happened in this way, the current will be high in whole wire in your home, and from any one of the portions of the wire the fire may take place. Is it right? The fuse is a very important, right, role play in your home. So keep it in mind, if there is no fuse, please connect a fuse. Is it right? There will be at least one fuse is important in the main switch. Okay. Now another part of your repairing in, and that is the fan. You can see here my fan is smoothly running, right? But if it is not smoothly running or the speed is very slow, the reason is the capacitor. Is it right? So I will show you where the capacitor is there. Is it clear? You can see this is the upper portions of the fan, right? Now let me open this cover. I will first open this cover. You can see, yes. So this is a capacitor. You can see, is it right? This is a capacitor. Here, let me show you. Yeah, this is a capacitor which is simply connected. Now look at here. These are the two terminals. These are the two terminals, clear, of the capacitor. Two black terminals are there. One of them this, another is what, this, and they both are connected from this terminal and this terminal. Now if you open this two terminal and use the another capacitor and connect again with this two terminal, right, then in this way you can change the what capacitor terminals. It's very simple, you can do it at your home, है ना. इसमें डरने का कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत ही सिंपल है, सिर्फ वहीं से खोल के वहीं पे लगाना है इसमें. ये दिख रहा होगा तुमको, दो ब्लैक्स यहाँ से आया हुआ है and the two blacks are inserted. So I think you can easily open it, and इसी के बाद I think this one of the black is connected with the positive, है ना. So उसको उसी के साथ लगाना है, and another is connected with the blue one and उसको उसी के साथ लगाना है. The way you have to open, and similarly you have to place it. This is one of the way in which you can repair your fan. The symptoms of repairing is what? The fan is not smoothly moving, is it right? Or not properly moving. Is it clear? Another questions of repairing is your tube light, right? This is the main supply source from here, है ना. देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे दो wires आ रहा है इसमें, is it right? Whereas here I have connected 4 wires, is it right? Actually there are 2 wires. Why it is 4 wires? Because I have connected with that a bad switch, is it right? Yes, is it right? Bad switch use किया इसमें ताकि मैं सोने से पहले यहाँ आराम से बंद कर सकूँ, is it right? Whatever it is, but actually the 2 wires you will get in your home, right? And if it is not, ये हमारा जो है ये this is my LED tube light, right? Whereas in your home there is electrical, right, switch also without LED, है ना. वो इलेक्ट्रिकल से चलता है तुम्हारा, LED तुम्हारा इलेक्ट्रिकल से ही चलता है, but here it is a simple LED. So LED has a 2 terminals, you can see, is it right? At one of the terminal only the current supply. So if it is not glowing, that means your LED bulb is fused, is it right? उसको change कर लो. This is my another type of tube light, you can see, है ना. ये जो तुम देख रहे हो इसमें, let me show you this, right? ये जो दिख रहा है तुमको, this is what? This is not LED tube light, it is a simple electrical tube light. ज़्यादातर घर में इलेक्ट्रिकल ट्यूबलाइट ही रहता है ना. और यहाँ पे तुम देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे एक तुम्हारा what is this electrical circuit is there. So look at here, I open it for you to show you this, where this is one of the tubelight which is not right, not glowing. So ये तुम्हारा damage है. So let me show you how you can what you have analyze it is damage. Take one battery eliminator, है ना. You can see a battery eliminator will supply the DC source. So देख सकते हो तुम यहाँ पे, right? It has 1 to 12 volt is there, है ना. तो 12 volt you can easily handle it, and this is the output of it, है ना. ये दोनों तुम्हारा output है. So there is nothing of taking any risk, but this is supplied AC है तुम्हारा, is it right? This is AC source, I have connected with the board. Now it is on, right? And here I supplied 6. You can supply more volt, right? Rather the tube is not glowing, तो इसका मतलब simple है, is it right? That it is fused inside, because inside in a normal tube inside there is a filament, whereas जो मैंने पहले दिखाया था that is LED, where in LED inside there is an LED, is it right? If you open the LED and if you connect in this way, it will glow. It means what? The LED is working. If it is not, the LED is not working. और ये कनेक्शन टर्मिनल तुमको दूसरे एंड में भी करना है, not only here it is it right? In this way you can, and in normal tube there are 2 filaments in both the sides, but LED में एक ही साइड में रहता है. Is it clear? This is the basic informations. So dear student, thank you for observing this or apply it right in your home, and take very much precautions, which is very, very important. Thank you for attending the summer camp. Thank you.